Hello and welcome back to the AI Demo Drop. Guys, I am so happy to be back in spicy South Beach for Citywide Round 2. This is going to be a lot of fun. We've got 7 different AI tools, 7 presenters, and they each get 7 minutes each to show you how their tool can literally upgrade your business. Now, last year's sessions were pure perfection. We had a ton of fun. We also danced a lot of salsa. We went around and hopped around South Beach bars, and we got together and just had the best possible time we could have had because we're literally in Miami Beach. It does not get more fun than this. Now, what you're going to see, we're truly raising the bar. We're raising the industry bar with AI, and hopefully, a little bit later, we're going to raise the actual bar with some fresh mojitos. All right, who's ready? I think we can do a little bit better. One more time, who's ready? Okay, perfect. So I'm ready to introduce the very first speaker. They've been over here prepping. They're looking good. They're ready. Cueing my notes for the next slide. All right, to kick us off with a bang, we have Lydia by Shaping Wealth. Who is Lydia? Shaping Wealth is pushing AI beyond automation and into the core of human advice, the human core. Lydia is an AI-powered behavioral coach designed to help advisors and firms deliver deeply human advice at scale. Using nudges, guided workflows, and conversational AI grounded in real-world planning use cases, Lydia supports better client behavior, stronger engagement, and more meaningful outcomes. Lydia, your 7 minutes starts now.
Irony. In an age of pushing for more advanced AI, we're now also compelled to ask the most foundational questions about who we are. What does it mean to be human? What does it mean to live a life of meaning and purpose? How do we find contentment and joy? All of these directly implicate money, and what we really want is funded contentment, the ability to underwrite a meaningful life. I'm Brian Portnoy, CEO and founder of Shaping Wealth, and my company trains the guides on the journey toward funded contentment. You are all the guides. We have supercharged behavioral finance in order to train you and your team to be more human. We are the pioneers in humanizing advice, and now for the first time, I'm happy to say we can humanize at scale. Everyone meet Lydia, your always-on empathetic coach, guide, and thought partner. Welcome her to your team. She replaces no one, enhances everyone. AI makes advice faster. Lydia makes advice better. We humanize at scale by deploying purpose-built agents that deliver just-in-time behavioral coaching, identifying bias, having better conversations, making better decisions, knowing your future self, telling your money story, and on and on. Lydia is portable. She's an open API platform, and she's going to meet you wherever you are. For starters, she's alive and well right now on our own Compass platform. Here she is. You can engage one of our agents that we've built for you, talk to her about just about anything, or engage in dozens of use cases we've built on the back of us coaching thousands of advisors worldwide. My client's really annoying. Should I fire him? My new young hire needs higher EQ. I need to connect better with my client's adult children. Now, that's a case that we hear all the time. It's something that many advisors struggle with. Why not use your new role-play agent via Lydia to practice that conversation ahead of time? Lydia will morph into your client's brain, you're you, and you go back and forth. You have a great conversation, and in that context, Lydia is going to give you a scorecard. She's going to say, here's what you did well, here's room for improvement. She's going to give you conversational alpha. Plus, you're going to be able to connect to thousands of pieces of original content and coaching that my team has created to upskill you and your clients, or you and your team. So Lydia, like I said, is portable. And she's going to be even more powerful when she's integrated into your existing workflow, into your tech stacks, CRMs, planning tools, AI note takers, TAMPs, market data, you name it. She's going to be the behavioral intelligence inside your workflow. And I'm pleased to announce these 11 integration partners that we're going to be building agents and behavioral intelligence for. I want to share 2 of these stories with you today. First, with our friends at Focal, the great meeting automation and AI note-taking company. We sought to answer the foundational question, was that a good conversation? Could you have done better? Are you actually good at your job as a conversationalist? We built a meeting evaluation agent that's actually a stack of 4 sub-agents that will measure whether you listened well, whether you responded with empathy, whether you inspired confidence in your client in a way that they're now going to be more likely to follow your fantastic advice. For any individual advisor, we're going to give you a time series of every conversation across all 4 of these skills that we've built agents for and tell you how you can be better. If you're managing a team of advisors, 330, 3,000, it doesn't matter. Now, for the first time, you can have a dashboard to evaluate everybody on your team and identify where there is excellence and where there's an opportunity for behavioral finance training. Imagine the impact of these data on your culture of excellence. We're also partnering with our friends at Conquest. This is a planning software that is outstanding and sweeping across North America. With Conquest, the first thing out of the gate with them is a financial life guide agent. What we're trying to do here is to evaluate these questions. What is the psychology behind any financial decision, financial life transition? Like, what's really going on in the client's mind? And then secondly, how can that insight improve the advice you give and ultimately for the client's life outcome? Here's a case of Kirk and Connie Conquest. They're saving for retirement. They're in so-so shape. Conquest has a savvy AI named Sam, and Sam's identified a cash flow shortage. At the same time, Kirk, 42, a little bit of a midlife crisis, figuring out what he wants to do. He wants to pivot. He says to his advisor, can I afford a sabbatical? Well, this is a case in which Sam and Lydia are friends, and Sam says to Lydia, you go from here, take it over, dig in. Let's really identify the motivation behind this instinct to take a sabbatical and have a much better planning conversation and planning flow. So we've deployed our proprietary 6-part framework for understanding a client's why, decision hygiene along the lines of identifying bias, challenges and opportunities, and then ultimately, once you've delivered all of that to the client or your own process, you're going to be able to supply the client with ponder points, content, and other things to get them level set, and at the same time, you are going to be able to provide better advice, have content that you can share, and ultimately then this flows back into Conquest's system where you can do more technical or mechanical cash flow planning. Like I said, we're partnering with some fantastic firms. I couldn't be prouder to have these friends, these logos up on the screen. Agents and intelligence integrated so that we collectively can humanize at scale. And so let me just ask everyone to think about this question for themselves. How human is your human capital? What do you love to do? What are you really good at? Where do you want to be better, and where do your team need to be better? In an age of AI, how can you be more human? How can we then take these human skills and scale from there? Let's face it, everybody is looking to go faster and do more. But it might not be the firms that go faster and use AI better that win. It could instead be the firms that go slower and redefine what it means to be human at work so that we can reconnect to the people that we truly love, our clients, our teammates, and even ourselves, and then build systems to scale. AI makes advice faster. Lydia makes advice better. I cannot wait for you to meet her. Thank you.